Hello, welcome back. Today's video is all about breathwork. So you're new to breathwork, and where do you start? What do you do? There's so many different techniques out there. How do you know which one you need to do? This video is aimed to help you figure out a little bit more which techniques you can use and when. So let's get straight to it. But before we do that, if you haven't already liked or subscribed to my videos and my channel, please do. You can find the links below. It really helps me keep working and doing this channel for you. And if you have already liked videos and subscribed, thank you so much, and I really hope that you have been enjoying them. But enough about that, let's get on and talk about breathwork. So I've got a breathing toolbox for you to help you know what to do and when. I'm going to give you my top 3 breathing exercises for focus, relaxation, energizing, warming up for exercise, and to improve your HRV. Now this list is a lot longer than these 3, so if you want to see the full list, click down below and you'll be able to get a copy of the PDF so you can see all of the breathing exercises that are included. I'm only giving you 3 for each because it's just a nice way to start, and it can keep you more focused, more on track. There's less to choose from, and you'll be able to work your way through them all and then be able to move on and find other exercises to do. So number 1, focus. We have coherent breathing, box breathing, and a 4-7-8 breath. All of these are going to create a sense of calm focus as you practice these techniques, whether you're about to go into a stressful situation or you just want to create some focus in general in your life. Practicing these exercises, counting the ratios round, is going to help you create that calm sense of focus. Number 2 is relaxation, and my top 3 techniques for this is extended exhale, humming breath, and breathing slow, light, and deep. When we extend the exhale, and especially when we then add a hum onto the exhale, this helps to get us into our parasympathetic nervous system and to tap into our vagus nerve and to help strengthen that within the parasympathetic nervous system, which will help us calm down, get into the rest and digest state, and not be constantly in this kind of tired, wired, sympathetic nervous system state. When we breathe slow, light, and deep, we're not only slowing the breath down, which also helps to induce relaxation, but we're gradually increasing our CO2 tolerance. And when we have a higher tolerance to CO2 in our body also creates a relaxation response. So these are my top 3 for relaxation. Number 3, energy. My top 3 for this is Wim Hof, bellows breath, and breath of fire. All of these use a deeper, quicker, bigger breath using the mouth, and when we do this we can start to create energy and heat within the body to start ramping us up if that is what we're looking for. Number 4 is warm-ups. We have breath hold variations, breathing light variations, and single nostril breathing. When we start to exercise, our body is cold. We come out the front door, we want to go running, close it, we start getting straight into the run, and we are immediately huffing and puffing because we haven't started to warm up our body and our respiratory system. We've gone from gear 1 up to gear 6 in no time at all. So as you utilize these 3 different techniques, essentially all starting to tax your body and helping you increase CO2 within the body and your tolerance to it. As you do this, you're sending a signal to your body, hey, we're going to start doing some work now, we're going to start exercising. If you do these 10 to 15 minutes before you really get into your exercise, you will find that it is easier to do whichever movement, ever exercise you have chosen to do. Number 5, HRV. So of course, we've got the coherent breath, we've got an extended exhale, and we've got a humming breath. And I'm giving you a bonus one, which is conscious, connected breathing. So those first 3 exercises I mentioned, especially the coherent breath, has been shown to specifically interact with your vagus nerve and improve your HRV tolerance when you breathe in at a rate of 5.5 in and 5.5 out, so 5 to 6 breaths a minute. It has been shown that this is going to gradually improve your HRV. Also, when you do extended exhales and the hums, as I already said before in relaxation, this starts to tap into your parasympathetic nervous system, get into the vagus nerve and calm you down. And this is also going to help your HRV increase. I've added in conscious connected breathing because when I was training doing this breathing technique, I at the time was checking my HRV every day, and at the end of the week, to my utter astonishment and almost frustration and annoyance, noticed that my HRV had improved by doing this breathing technique every day. So even though we're breathing through our mouth in conscious connected breathing, this breath work still increased my HRV. So if that's something that you are looking to do, if you are able to handle that type of breath, then I highly recommend giving it a go. So that is my breathing toolbox for focus, relaxation, energy, warm-ups, and HRV, with 3 different exercises for each category. I hope that they help you. I hope that you are able to pick and choose from your toolbox, knowing exactly what you need and when. And remember, if you'd like the full PDF with more information about each technique, then please click below to get your copy, and I will see you soon.